Hey friends, welcome back to the cabin, and today I want to share with you an easy way to remove labels from bottles and jars that works every time. And here we are with the final product. It's squeaky clean and ready for whatever you want to put in one of your saved jars. This took 2 products out of your pantry, no chemicals, frugal and quick after you do your soak-in time. And I'll be right back with some final words. I want to thank you for joining me today on this fun little video, and also if you have tips and tricks on removing labels from jars, be sure to drop them in the comments below. And also, if you found value in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can also share the video, and if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe. But the most important point that I want to leave you with today is don't ever forget that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless.